This channel makes $5,279 every month just by making dirty room renovation videos. No camera, no face, just AI. We're going to show you exactly how to make something similar, step by step, in full detail. And I'm giving you a free prompt. But first, let's start by going to Gemini. We're heading to a Gemini gem that I trained with a special master prompt just for you. First, we type start to activate the bot, then answer the questions based on the details of the video we want to produce. After sending our answers, since this content is made up of different scenes combined, we'll receive 5 image generation prompts and 4 video conversion prompts. To access the gem and the prompts, visit the Master Prompts room in our Telegram group through the link in the video description. We copy our first image prompt and head over to the OpenArt website. From the Tools section on the left side, we select Create Image and choose Nano Banana 2 as our image generation model. We paste our copied prompt into the prompt field below, set our output to 9:16 vertical format with 1K resolution, and hit the Generate button. We check our image, and if it looks good, we save it. Next, to create our second scene image in a consistent and matching style, we go back to the Tools section and select Edit Image. We drop the first scene image we downloaded into the Reference Image section, then go back to Gemini and copy our second scene prompt. We return to OpenArt, paste the prompt into the prompt field, select Nano Banana 2 as the model again, hit Generate and create our second scene. Once it's ready, we check it and save it. Then we move on to the video production stage. We go back to Gemini one last time and copy our first video prompt, then head to OpenArt and select Frame to Video from the Tools menu. We drag our first scene image into the Start Frame section and our second scene image into the End Frame section. We select Kling 3.0 as our video model and paste the copied prompt into the video prompt field. We set audio to on, adjust the duration to 7 seconds and resolution to 720p high in the output settings, then hit Generate. Throughout the production process, you can choose different AI models and resolution options based on your budget. And most importantly, make sure to create original, effort-driven content in line with YouTube's strict policies on this type of content. Otherwise, you may find yourself unable to sustain your presence on YouTube long-term. Here's what our finished video looks like. If you want to improve your content production and editing skills, join our free communities via the link in the description. There you can connect with like-minded creators, and together we can build the largest content creation community in the world. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like. It means a lot to us. Drop your content requests and suggestions in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.